Thanks for visiting Whimsy Stamps and welcome. It is great to have you here with us again. I'm Lisa and today I'm sharing with you what's new in Whimsy Stamps' June 10th release. Now stay tuned to the end of the video for samples and I'll share details on the June giveaway. Let's get started. We have a lot to share in this release. We're starting out with the Ocean Tiles Seize the Day stamp set. Another great tile set from Whimsy Stamps that includes 8 nautical themed images like a tugboat, cruise liner, lighthouse, and anchor. Plus you're getting 2 large sentiments, ahoy and seize the day. Now all of the tile stamp sets pair perfectly with Whimsy Stamps Slimline Window Tiles die set. You can see to the right there, I use that die set and it frames the images nicely. I also used Whimsy's shiplap background stamp to create the look of a dock for my card, and of course, twine goes great with any nautical theme. Next, we have the Mermaid Moments Sentiment Stamp Set. This stamp set is full of well wishes and words of encouragement with 13 sentiments and 4 small detail stamps. Now, these sentiments are going to be great on your handmade cards, but think about using them on envelopes as well. It's a quick and simple way to create a coordinating envelope. These are going to go great with the new Mermaid Moments stamp set. Now, as seen here, this set includes 3 adorable mermaids in different poses, plus 4 small friends and 4 sentiments. There is a coordinating die set that is sold separately, and it includes dies for the mermaids, starfish, seahorse, crab, and fish. Now, we have a few more products releasing to use with these sweet mermaids, and I'll get to those products shortly. But first, let's have a look at the brand new Beach Hut stamp set. I absolutely love this stamp set, but then again, I love photos of rainbow colored beach huts lined up along the beach. And you can see in the top right corner there, I created a slimline card with rainbow beach huts. I let that inspire me. Some details on this set as seen here, 2 beach huts, a lifeguard stand, a palapa style umbrella with surfboard. So you're getting a lot of details in this set, which is perfect for creating beach scenes. And I have no doubt you're going to want to pair this set with the Whimsy's Build an Island die set and the brand new Beach Frogs stamp set. This stamp set is frogtastic and it pairs perfectly with the Beach Hut stamp set. Now you can also use these cuties with Whimsy's Build an Island die set. I created a layered pond using Whimsy's Wavy nested dies and their grass frame die set. I'm sharing that sample at the end of the video if you want to check it out. This is such a great stamp set with 6 beach ready frogs, 9 sentiments, and 2 clouds and fish for details. And let's talk about these sentiments for just a second. You sure are, and fine as frog hair. Love them. So this set does have a coordinating outline die set that is sold separately. Now the set includes dies for each of the frogs, the clouds, and the fish. And that's going to wrap up the clear stamps in this release and move us into the cling rubber background Ocean Fest. This is a gorgeous under the sea scene filled with beautiful images of sea life with so much detail. You can color the image with your favorite alcohol markers. You could heat emboss and ink blend to create a quick scene for your favorite images, or you can watercolor and add a simple sentiment. Either way, it's going to be beautiful. Now, the stamped image measures 8¼ inches long by 3 inches high. Now, that's going to move us into our die, starting with the Under the Sea die set, a much requested die set that coordinates with the previously released Under the Sea stamp set. It includes 11 dies for each of the images. So Whimsy has one standalone die in this release, the Clam Shell Die Set. Now the die cut clam measures approximately 3 5/8 of an inch high at the highest point by 3 3/4 of an inch wide at the widest point. And the largest die cuts out the shell and the inside of the clam, plus embosses the lines on the shell. This set also includes 4 more dies that cut out the eyes, mouth, and 6 bubbles. Now you can use the clam along with the sentiment Happy as a Clam from the Beach Hut stamp set and any of Whimsy's previously released stamps and die sets to create a fun card like I did here, or pair the clam with the mermaids from the Mermaid Moments stamp set. Now, one of the mermaids fits inside the clam, and you can position one to look like she's sitting on the edge of the clam as well. So you have lots of options with this die set. Whimsy is releasing 2 more toner card fronts in this release, starting with the A2 Shells 1 pack. This pack is full of seashell patterns and coral. Remember, when using the toner cards, you need to use a toner reactive foil like Deco Foil, and you can find that in Whimsy's online shop. Next, we have the Slimline Wavy toner card fronts, and this pack has 4 wavy designs included in it. And each pack has 8 single-sided sheets, and you're getting 2 each of those 4 designs. Now, these are going to be perfect with the mermaids and beach-themed stamp sets in this release. Our last product is Mermazing. This is an exclusive mix by This Calls for Confetti for Whimsy Stamps. It's going to go great with your mermaids and that adorable Clam Shell Die Set. That's going to wrap up the reveal, but as promised, I have a few samples to share with you while I share giveaway details. Whimsy Stamps is giving away a $100 gift certificate to their online shop. To be eligible to win, simply watch each of the current month's release videos here on the Whimsy Stamps channel and leave a comment. Now, each month, the winner will be picked from the comments and announced in the first release video the following month. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel and you click that notification bell so you don't miss the videos. Now, I have to mention that Whimsy Stamps is solely responsible for the prize and YouTube is not associated with this giveaway in any way. Let us know what you think of the new release in the comments below. And if you found the video valuable, we hope you'll give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. You can click the links below to head over to the Whimsy Stamps online shop to browse all the new items. Take care, and until next time, please know how much we appreciate you and the time you spend with us. Have a great day.